can't receive Instagram's message requests. So this video is for you. Hello, I'm Anna and I'm here to guide you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app and then tap on your profile. Now, after tapping on your profile, you can see on top of your screen the three horizontal lines. Simply click on that. After that, you can type on the search button. Type messages. After that, you can see on top messages and story reply. Simply click on that. After that, on top there is return message controls. Tap on there. Now, here on the fourth line, you can see others on Instagram. Click there. Now, as you can see, I have changed my settings to don't receive requests. So that was the reason I was not getting any message request. Now, you can simply change your settings to message request in order to get message request option. Now after the updating, you can see that you have successfully changed the settings, and now if anyone sends you message request, then you can see it. So that's it for the video. Thank you for joining me. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more.